Interior designing has many career opportunities for skilled and innovative minds. There is lot of scope in interior designing in the world as well as India, and it is expected to grow even more in coming years. Interior designing is now a famous thing in India. For example, most of the people those who have bought a property worth 50 lakh may end up spending 20% to 30% in interior designing. Interior designing career is more suitable for creative people who are passionate about design and who are passionate about artistic things. An interior designer has to work and design interiors and exteriors according to the client requirements. As more and more people are becoming city dwellers, the need of creating more interior designers has become increasing. Currently in India, as per India Today estimate of Jan 13, 2020, in India we at least require 1 lakh more interior designers. The top employers in industry are architectural and construction firms and furniture companies.